what's critical to know is that in Maryland, and I'm kind of backtracking, but there's 3 requirements for Medicaid. And I'll show you the tie-in. First requirement is must need nursing home. There is a waiver program in Maryland, but there's a waiting list, very long. And I think if we all put our name on it right now, maybe we'd be eligible in 5 years. The waiver program will actually pay for assisted living, and it will pay for in-home care. But it's a very long list. So I've had 2 people who I've helped with getting the waiver program. So unless you can get the waiver program, that person must be in need of living in a nursing home. So they need to be medically eligible to live in a nursing home. For example, roughly we say that they can't do 2 activities of daily living on their own. But there's a company that the state of Maryland hires to come in and make this assessment. So column 1, I can't help with. Either the person qualifies or they don't. And if they can get on that waiver program, it will pay for assisted living. 2, income. The requirement in Maryland is that the income of the person in the nursing home, not the spouse's income, it doesn't count if it's a married couple, but John's income, let's say he gets $1,500 a month Social Security, and he gets $350 in a pension. So his total income is $1,850. Nursing home bill is $9,500 every month. He qualifies because his income is less than his nursing home. Let's say his income was $8,000 a month. He still qualifies. Unlike in Florida, they have a maximum of $2,000 a month that you can have an income. So we have to do more things in Florida. We have to divert that income. So medically must need nursing home, income less than the cost of nursing home. 3 is what we've talked about before, which is the resource limit or asset limit. $2,500 and then up to $113,640 for a spouse. This is where elder law attorneys help people to deal with this. We can't help here in Maryland, and we can't help here. I only had 1 case where the person had too much income. It was amazing, but she was right at the cusp and had too much income. So this is where we help.